A first glimpse of the metal reveals the extent of the decay. What was once a formidable machine is now a ghost on the ocean floor.
Are the shackles secured on winch, Bravo?
Affirmative. Inspected and locked.
Stand by for tension test.
The lift cables vibrate under immense tension, signaling the critical moment before the aircraft breaks free from the seabed.
Connect secondary line 4.
Line 4 is secure. Tensioning.
Confirmed stabilization. Hold position.
Hold steady on the left. Bring it down slow.
Easy!
Almost there. Watch the starboard side.
Hold position. Ease it down slowly.
Confirm. Coming down.
Watch the starboard clearance.
Keep tightening that strap.
It's secure on this side.
Check the tension on the main fuselage. Ready on this side? Okay, lift slowly. Watch the edge, it's corroded. Keep coming straight back.
Hold it, watch the wingtip. All right there, set the brakes.
All right, taking the load now. Everyone clear the immediate area. Load is secure, coming up slowly.
Watch the clearance on the tailhook. Holding steady. Bring the yellow stand closer to the wing.
If we follow this diagram, the fuselage brake should happen right here.
Agreed, but we must account for the stress points mentioned in the manual.
Copy that, I'll update the plan.
I'm sending the photos of the corroded connector now.
Copy that. Make sure it's logged before we disconnect the fuel line.
All right, ready to lift. Steady now, watch the wiring. Bring it straight back onto the pads.
Clear on the left side.
Copy that, moving slowly forward.
Watch the clearance on the main spar.
Mounts are clear on this side. How are the hydraulics looking?
The structural integrity here is completely compromised. Look at the pitting.
We're looking at catastrophic failure points across the entire mount.
This bay is showing consistent thickness.
Copy that. Integrity confirmed on this segment. Let's move inboard.
Look at the corrosion on these turbine blades.
They'll definitely need replacement before reassembly.
Go ahead with the final sequence.
Checks complete. Stand by for start authorization.
With fresh paint, new seals, and rebuilt wheels, the gear mechanism moves smoothly through extension and retraction testing.
Down a hair on my mark.
Roger. Bringing it down slowly.
Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
All right, easy now. Watch that gap. Clearance looks good. Send it home. Locked in place.
Hold it steady right there.
All right, lowering now. Looks good on the left side.
Clear on the right. Locking it down.
All right, bring it forward slowly.
Steady. We're good on the left side.
Copy that. Hold position for alignment check.
Panel fit looks good here. Seals are tight.
Rudder alignment is spot on. Movement is smooth.